Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Karan Motwani from Mechanical Engineering Department. I'm the course instructor for the course Introduction to Solar Energy Engineering. In this course, uh, what we are going to learn, what is the importance of this subject. So we are going to discuss this. If we see these two charts, toward the left hand side, we can see this is the chart which shows the gross electricity generation in India. And we can see that today also the maximum contribution to generate the energy in India is from the fossil fuel, which is very basically used as a coal. And if we see the contribution of other source of energy like hydro, renewable energy, gas, and nuclear, their contributions are very less. And if we look at to the right hand side of the chart, we can see here the major consumption in sector wise. We can see the industrial sector is the sector which consumes about 42% of the total energy which is being generated. So here we can see this is a sector which consumes the maximum energy, and on this left hand side we can see in India today also the maximum generation is there from the coal, and we know that as the time is passing on, the problem from this conventional fuels are increasing, and the issues like pollution, global warming issues, they all are standing. So, in order to overcome this problem, definitely the growth of renewable energy should be there. If we see the present data, by 2022, India aims to generate about 175 gigawatt from the renewable energies. And in that also, if we see the contribution of solar is highest compared to the other renewable energy. And India is planning to generate the total power of 500 gigawatt from renewable energy. And in that also, the contribution of solar will be very high. Looking to the state-wise, Gujarat and Rajasthan, they have been identified as the state which has highest global radiation. So that's why in this subject, I'm going to teach you about the solar energy. So what would be the course content of this subject? So first of all, in unit 1, we are going to learn about the basic introduction to the solar energy. What are the different angle, how much is the flux that used to be there, and how to calculate this flux that is coming from the sun. Secondly, is solar photovoltaic system, where the energy from the sun is converted into electricity. So how this system works, we are going to discuss this. In unit 3, we are going to talk about solar thermal system. Like there is not only the application is there for electricity, there is also the application or the requirement is of thermal energy. So such kind of heat energy requirement can be fulfilled by different types of solar thermal system. And definitely as we have seen in the right hand side of the graph, the major application or the major energy consumption in India also, today also in the sector wise is the industrial sector. So definitely we are going to take the overview that where the solar energy applications can be fitted in different industrial processes. And going to unit number 5, where we are going to discuss about different economic and policies related to solar energy for different industrial application. And finally, we are going to have some case studies about different solar energy applications, systems that has been fitted, what is the energy requirement fulfilled with the help of solar before and after fitting of the system. And definitely the subject will have the industrial visit also, where we will going to have industrial visit to look out on the thermal systems or the different solar photovoltaic system, how does they manufacture and how they get installed. So definitely this course will have the industrial visit also. Looking to the course objective, the course objective is to provide an in-depth understanding of solar energy and its practical application in industrial setting. The course will cover basic principles of solar energy, including solar radiation, how to measure it, and how to understand the different radiations, solar thermal and photovoltaic technologies, and solar power generation. After the end of the semester, you are going to understand the basic principle of solar energy and potential for industrial application, identify different types of solar energy systems and their design considerations, understanding economics, environmental and policy consideration, and definitely, as I said, an industrial visit will be there where you will get the more exposure to the solar thermal system. So here are the contact details of mine. You can note down this email ID, and the contact number is also been given. So if any questions or if you want to know much more about the course, you can contact me through this notes. Thank you.